Does the real estate market always go up in value over long term? Someone emailed us this question, and for the purpose of this video, let's call her Sarah. So Sarah emailed us, I'm thinking about investing in real estate as it's usually considered one of the best and safest investments, but does it always go up over the long run? Like at the current moment, housing prices lowered in the last 2 years. If I hold on to it for 10, 15 years or more, I might guarantee to make money when I sell. Well, Sarah, the short answer is yes, in most cases. But let me explain why and keep it simple. So in this video, we're talking about single-family homes, not commercial properties, apartment buildings, or industrial real estate. These usually come with different factors that impact their value and price. So for single-family homes, their prices are closely tied to the cost of living. And the cost of living is driven by inflation. So over time, inflation pushes up the price of housing. So in the long run, real estate value tend to rise along with inflation. Now, here is the thing. There are short-term exceptions. So Sarah, you're absolutely right on that. In the last few years, we've seen high inflation, but the home prices were actually dropping. And why is that? Because higher interest rate reduced demand and more properties came onto the market simultaneously. So that shifted the balance of supply and demand, caused price to dip temporarily. But when you zoom out and look at the big picture over 20, 30, or even 50 years, the trend line for home prices in places like Greater Toronto Area, for example, consistently goes up. It might zigzag in the short term, but the long-term direction is always upward. So if you can hold on to your property for the long run and avoid buying at the peak of a market cycle or selling at the bottom of the same market cycle, then you're likely not to just protect your investment from inflation, but also see it grow faster than inflation. Real estate reward patience, so keep your eyes on the long game and you will almost always come out ahead. I hope this answers your question and is helpful information. If you would like to have your question answered, please leave us a comment or DM us.